Right, kiddies, have I got your attention? Because I'm going to give you another plateau busting tip. So this is going to be a superset. I'm going to be hitting the muscle group twice with 2 different exercises back to back with no rest. What I like to do when I'm hitting a superset is usually do an isolation exercise, which is a single joint movement such as a tricep extension, followed with a multi-joint exercise such as a close grip push-up. So it's a compound movement. So what we're going to do now is target around 15 repetitions or absolute failure. Once we cannot repeat one more repetition, we'll immediately drop to the floor and really accentuate that failure by using some assistance through the shoulders and obviously the other heads of the tricep to really reach absolute failure, break down that muscle tissue and break some more plateaus. Okay, that is failure. Well, I reached failure here, but then obviously I was able to take failure into the deep end, drown it in lactic acid to ensure that I really burn out those muscle tissues and break some plateaus where I would usually find comfort or rest period between sets.